we're here with Bill and Luanne, and just wanted to say thank you very much for letting us be a part of your family's evolutionary process of buying a home. Just wanted to see what you thought of the transformation and what you think would be a little different.
Well, it certainly looks different than when I grew up in it,
Yeah.
that's for sure, but I really like what you've done. The colors are fabulous, and opening it up has created such a open, inviting feel to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I really do like it.
Perfect.
And I think from what it was before to today, 500% improvement.
Okay.
So you guys did a very good job on bringing it into today's standards.
Right.
So as opposed to leaving it the way it was. So that's very good.
And it still feels like a home.
Okay, good.
It still does.
Yeah, that's something that we love, is to be able to feel like it's the next generation that's going to hopefully live here for 20 or 30 years and enjoy the place and grow up, and not just slapping some lipstick on something and saying good luck. It's something that I think people want to enjoy and live here for a long time.
Yeah,
Well, we can tell you that it's not lipstick.
Okay, good. That's good.
You did a good job. You put quite a bit into it. So
No, that's perfect. Well, and hopefully the process was easy, of just us coming in and being able to have a cash transaction and not come to you and say, hey, we love your house, but let's fix 20 things and let's do all these things and do all these things and jump through hoops. Was that hopefully an easy part of the sales process? With
that
the
was
decision?
that was the easiest part. I mean, once you made the decision, it was pretty quick. So
Yeah.
it was come in, yes, no, okay, and that was pretty much it. So.
Yeah.
It would have been difficult, I think, for me to watch any type of transition going on, piece by piece,
Sure.
because this was my home.
Yeah.
And if you're going to take out a wall, that could hurt.
Right.
But now that I see,
Yeah.
it's great.
Yeah, well, that's perfect.
Yeah.
And the one thing that I love that I haven't ever run into before was just when we're able to find, that kind of family heirloom. Tell me just a little bit about, that backstory.
Well, we moved into my family, moved
Right.
in here, and I was 5, and I went to first grade
Right.
up here at Ash Grove, and this whole neighborhood was all my parents' age, all the kids were all the same
Sure.
age, and we lived here up through high school
Right.
until we all moved to college or had our own families. But we would have block parties here, and it was a real neighborhood, homey feel. And I don't think that you can get that
Yeah.
in neighborhoods like you could then, but it was very close, and it was a wonderful way to grow up.
Right. Right. Perfect.
And for this type of home, because as you saw with the vaulted ceilings and the openness that it had, it was kind of ahead of its time.
Right.
And so it kind of aged well.
Yeah.
And so we didn't have a lot of new things done to it, but
Right.
it certainly wears well now.
Yeah. Perfect. Well, great. Awesome. Well, thank you again. I just wanted to say thank you. It's always fun to get people back and
Thank
see
you for letting me
the
see
new,
it.
the
Yeah.
evolution of their home.
Well,
Yes.
and thank you for putting some personal touches on it. So
Sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Awesome. Thanks.
Yeah.
Cool.